going to start our painting, our flower painting. I'm so excited. So you're going to choose either warm colors, which are going to be the oranges and the yellows, or you're going to choose the cool colors, which are the blues and purples. So I placed them in order so that you can follow the specific order. You can go from 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3. Same with the warm colors. You can start 1, 2, 3, or you can start 1, 2, 3. So number 2 is always going to be in the middle. I decided that I want to start with number 3 first. So start with your first color that you want to be on the inside. So my first color is on the inside, and I'm going to paint a nice circle. Notice that while I'm painting my circle, I am not using too much paint. I'm staying in the lines as best that I can. And I'm making it nice and even. The next thing I'm going to do with that same color, I'm going to trace along the side of the petal. So I'm going to go like this. And I notice I need more paint, so as I'm getting more paint, it's not a lot. If you paint off of the table, that's okay. It happens. We are allowed to be messy. So I'm going to do this on every single one of my petals. Is clean off your brush. You can use the sponge that I gave you to give it a quick dry, and you're going to go to color number 2. Color number 2, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to go around the edges, and you can overlap on top of the other color a little bit if you want, but you want to primarily stay and make another ring of color inside. Next, I'm going to wipe my brush again. I'm going to dry it off, and now I'm going to go into my last color. My last color is this pretty blue color. I'm going to paint in the center of my flower. Now, like I said, you can do some overlapping because all of these colors will blend together. So you can go like this and paint the inside and paint on top of some of that purple to make it blend in together. What we want to do is create a color blend from one color to another. Going to go in just a little bit of black, and I'm going to start by outlining my circle, trying to be as neat as I possibly can. Next, I'm going to outline my flower. Now what I like to do is just keep my hand nice and steady. And it's okay if your outline is really thick. Try to not make it too thick on the inside of the petals, but on the outside it's okay if it's thick because we can cut this off.
Once your flower is done, you're going to start drawing your leaves. And we're going to go right into paint. We're not going to draw with pencil. So you're going to start with 2 curved lines. And you're going to place as many medium to large sized leaves on your paper. Make sure that you do different sizes. Not too small because our flowers are really big. So since our flowers are really big, we need to make leaves that will fit on the flower. So you'll notice I have 2 medium-sized ones and now I'm drawing another large one. I'm going to try to fit as many medium and large size leaves on my paper. So for our inside of the leaves, we're going to draw a straight line and then we're going to draw diagonal lines going up. We can also do a more realistic leaf with little lines. You can do both. You can do either or, however you choose to do it.